If you don't have the LDAC option available in Bluetooth device settings on your OnePlus 15, the reason why is probably quite simple. Most of the time, the LDAC option might be gone due to the third-party app that you may have installed for your Bluetooth device. So in this case, I actually downloaded like an app for my earbuds that use LDAC. However, the reason why LDAC is now gone is due to sound quality settings, because over here, in my case at least, I can choose the priority, whether I prioritize the sound quality or connection quality. So of course, if I choose sound quality and switch back to Bluetooth settings, now as you can see, I do have LDAC option available, but if I choose connection quality, then now I have AAC instead. So in your case, you might want to check the app that you probably just installed and see if you have any sound quality settings, and make sure that the priority is set on sound quality. Make sure to subscribe to my channel as well. Thanks for watching, leave a like.